Hey everyone, happy holidays from LOFT. My name is Dmitry. I'm here with the LOFT D275 Interactive Display, and I'm gonna give a quick demo of the infinite whiteboarding feature, and I'm gonna draw some holiday snowflakes. I will start up the recording. There we go. Each LOFT display comes with an Android operating system, which allows you to have a whole wide range of apps, including this whiteboarding app. The nice 4K display really allows me to see all the detail, but I can also zoom in to work on them in focus. I think this would be a really good tool for a classroom to keep the kids engaged and introduce them to new technology. Happy holidays and a wonderful new year to you from everyone here at LOFT. To learn more about the LOFT D275 Interactive Display or any of our other products, please visit lofttech.com.